What's up, everyone? It's been a while, and the reason is because I've been sick for like a month or so, and I'm finally starting to getting better at the games I've been playing. Meanwhile, while I've been sick and not live streaming, well, I have recorded some, that is. In the meantime, while I've been sick, I've been having this irritating, not voice, but sound coming from my computer. I don't know what it was, like a Morse sound, like beep 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 beep, whatever, coming from the computer itself from time to time, and it's kind of irritating, right? But one thing I would recommend, because I can hear it now from time to time, right now as I'm running a game in the background. But I do recommend having on a headset, because else you're not gonna be able to hear it. And crank it up a little. So right now it's for me, I can hear it. I don't know of the microphone itself is picking it up because I'm holding a new microphone one of my friends gave me. It's probably not gonna pick it up. Let me try out a little thing here. Probably not. It's gonna pick it up. I'll hold it there for a few seconds. Just gonna hold it there. Just gonna hold it there over there by the graphic card and so on. It's not gonna pick it up. Happy Halloween, everyone.